Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. So this session is on systems and technology. Now, having an animation, media, production and technology business for over 18 years, I know a fair bit about systems, and I know a fair bit about getting them to talk together and saving time and creating efficiencies. So what we have in this particular course is some of the things that I've implemented in my business and in my businesses over time to systemize and automate some of the laborious tasks in business. So there's some sort of top tips, and we're just going through some of the programs that you can use for each of the areas of business just to streamline the business and help you as you grow, because obviously old systems cost money, and with apps and technology as it is right now, then systems are more affordable than ever. Now, obviously you can get custom systems built. RJDM will happily build them for you or get your systems talking, but you don't have to do it that way. In this program, we talk through some of the programs we use, how you can get them communicating, and we also talk about Price Waterfalls and what does that look like in your business. So how you can do discount cubes and things like that. Anyway, this is a really cool course. We went through it in the last dojo. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in there. Take care.